natural cure and home remedies for flu and sore throat infection in adults and kids. If you have sore throat and flu infection, the huge list of herbal remedies in this video will work like charm. So stay tuned and watch this video in full to put an end to this condition. The flu or influenza is a disease that can affect anybody, whether young or old. It is marked by an increase in temperature, a fever, and can sometimes be accompanied by a cold, sore throat or sneezing. Other common symptoms of the flu are headaches, fatigue, nausea, and coughing. While sore throat is one of the symptoms of the flu, it is itself marked by irritation in the throat and a painful feeling when swallowing. There are medications that can be taken to remedy the situation. However, since this video is about natural home remedies for flu and sore throat, we will only consider such methods. Home remedies for flu and sore throat in adults. Drink enough water. One of the symptoms of the flu is nasal congestion. This congestion can be as a result of an infected mucous membrane. Drinking lots of water during the day will help to relax the membrane as well as in softening thick mucus. Consume chicken soup. This home remedy has been tried and proven to be highly effective in the treatment of flu and its symptoms including sore throat. The consumption of chicken helps to prevent mucus buildup. Even better, you can add chili or cayenne pepper to the soup to heighten its efficacy. You can also throw in some fresh garlic to boost the germ-killing properties. Saltwater solution. Pour a teaspoon of table salt into a glass of water and mix. Gargle with the solution to alleviate the sore throat. Peppermint tea. Peppermint has soothing properties that can be beneficial for your sore throat. You can make peppermint tea by steeping peppermint leaves, they must be fresh, in boiling water for about 5 minutes, and subsequently filtering out the leaves. If this process seems stressful for you or you cannot find the peppermint leaves, you can also get peppermint tea from grocery stores. Marshmallow root. The root of the marshmallow plant contains mucilage which forms a lubricating layer on the throat when consumed. This coating helps to soothe the tickling throat. You can prepare a tincture of the marshmallow root by infusing the root in cold water and allowing it to stay overnight. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for treating flu and its symptoms like colds. This Asian spice is rich in antioxidants that give the herb its medicinal properties. Cinnamon can be made for tea or mixed with other herbs for increased effectiveness. Lemon water. Instead of salt, you can try another method that involves the use of lemon. Get a slice of lemon and squeeze some of its juice into a cup of warm water. The acidity of the lemon water makes it difficult for any harmful microbe to remain in the mouth and throat. Put on wet socks before going to bed. Wearing wet socks to bed is a simple and easy home treatment method for fever resulting from flu. Doing so helps to promote blood flow in the body and reduces congestion. For the best results, it is advised that you dip your feet in hot water and put a pair of wrung cotton socks which have been previously soaked in cold water. Wear a pair of dry woolen socks over the wet socks. Coconut oil. The oil from coconut has soothing effects that can help to treat sore throat. You can add coconut oil to your soup or put it alone in your mouth and let to melt as it goes through your throat. Like marshmallow infusion, coconut oil creates a lubricating layer on the throat that soothes the irritation in the throat. Elderberry. Elderberry tincture is also effective in the treatment of the flu. This herbal fruit has been in use for many years in combating viruses. You can use the elderberry tincture for combating the flu by taking about 25 drops thrice or 4 times each day for 3 days. Sage echinacea tincture. Both sage and echinacea are herbal plants with medicinal properties including the potential of soothing a sore throat. To prepare this remedy, pour a cup of boiling water into a mixture of sage and echinacea, 1 teaspoon each. Subsequently, allow the mixture to steep for about 30 minutes and filter for the liquid using a strainer. When done, put the liquid in a spray bottle to spray into the throat as often as you need. ACV apple cider vinegar. The use of apple cider vinegar for medicinal purposes dates as far back as the Middle Ages when Hippocrates, regarded as the father of modern medicine, used it for treating flu patients. Apart from this, the use of apple cider vinegar for treating flu and its symptoms is due to the antimicrobial properties of the tonic. Honey. The use of honey for medical purposes is a no-brainer. The natural sweetener is packed with so many health benefits that make it an essential item for every home. Honey can be used alone for treating flu and its symptoms including sore throat in both kids and adults, or in combination with other herbs. For immediate relief from sore throat, you should dilute your honey in warm water and consume. However, it is advised that children below 1 year of age are not given honey. In addition, persons who are on a no-sugar diet may need to stay away from honey since it's a natural form of sugar. Licorice root. Like marshmallow root, licorice root can also be used in reducing the pain associated with sore throat. Licorice root is said to have pain-reducing properties like aspirin. Albeit there is not sufficient research result to attest to the efficacy of licorice root in treating sore throat, it is, however, yet to be proven otherwise. To use licorice root in treating sore throat, steep the root in water for about 5 minutes, filter the liquid and then drink. Ginger. You can make ginger tea for your sore throat as ginger possesses anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that make it a suitable remedy. For this purpose, you will need to steep peeled and chopped in boiled water for at least 10 minutes, then drink. Fenugreek. There are several research results that point to the medicinal prowess of fenugreek. This Eastern Asian herb can be used in different forms including drinking as tea, topical application of its oil, or by eating the seeds. While fenugreek can be used as a remedy for sore throats, it is recommended that pregnant women should stay away from the herb. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which is an organic compound that has antibacterial properties. Moreover, studies have proven that regular intake of garlic supplement is a fast way of preventing common cold. You can suck on a garlic clove to relieve your sore throat, but remember to brush your teeth afterward. Humidify. Allowing your nose to be dry will not help with the sore throat or the flu. Instead, you need to make sure that the air is always moist. You can humidify yourself by taking a hot shower, or by using a humidifier. Chamomile tea. Like most of the other teas that have been mentioned in this video, chamomile tea has a soothing effect on the throat. This is due to the fact that chamomile has powerful antioxidants that help in combating bacteria. You can drink a cup of chamomile tea or inhale the vapor of the tea to relieve the sore throat. Use a warm compress. To relieve the symptoms of flu such as headache and fever, soak a clean cloth in warm water and wring. After wringing the cloth, place it on your forehead and another on your nose. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which has pain-numbing properties. While it is advised that cayenne pepper should not be taken if you have open sores in the mouth, it can help to relieve your sore throat. To make use of this pepper, you can add it to your soup or mix it with honey and warm water. Get enough rest. You wouldn't do your body much good if you have the flu and are still very busy without getting sufficient rest. You should know how important a good night's sleep is for your body as the body tries to repair worn-out tissues during rest. Moreover, during sleep, the chances of feeling the pains and headache are well reduced. Baking soda. Apart from saltwater, you can also gargle baking soda solution to help in reducing the pain of the flu in the throat. Doing this will helps the sore throat by destroying the bacteria responsible for the infection in the throat. Home remedies for flu and sore throat in children. Give children enough fluids. Like with adults, drinking lots of fluids, especially water, is a natural and effective way of dealing with sore throat. You can give your kid fruit juices if they cannot take in lots of water. Use a humidifier. If your child gets down with the flu and has a sore throat, you need to bring a humidifier into his or her room. The moisture content in the room will help to reduce the irritation in the throat. Honey. The use of honey for medical purposes is a no-brainer. The natural sweetener is packed with so many health benefits that make it an essential item for every home. Honey can be used alone for treating flu and its symptoms including sore throat in both kids and adults, or in combination with other herbs. For immediate relief from sore throat, you should dilute your honey in warm water and consume. However, it is advised that children below 1 year of age are not given honey. In addition, persons who are on a no-sugar diet may need to stay away from honey since it's a natural form of sugar. While there are other remedies to cure sore throat and flu in little children, it is recommended you take them to the doctor if you are not seeing any sign of improvement. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more natural health videos. For more home remedies, visit our official website at naturalhealingguides.com. Thanks for watching.